Dang. Just the other day. That's what I was thinking. Yeah. Know the game, youngin'. Just the other day I thought, man, yeah. 10-4, am I coming through clear? Just give me about a month or two and I'll be right, yeah. Trying to avoid police and riot gear. Heavyweight cash and you just a light year. I got a buzz that's with no light, yeah. You couldn't even walk in these shoes right here. And you acting like you don't see all this. Like, oh shit, look at his stones, they flawless. And the bitch that I'm with, she gorgeous. I see your giant money, mine's enormous. Don't even trip, when I'm out, I be very gone. My pocket's fat like the head on Barry Bonds. You sit and chill, stack it up for a rainy day. A nigga like me got paid to play. When I was getting it minor, they ain't have shit to say. Now they scream cause I get it in a major way. Ay,
I see them hating cause my paper right. I tell them hold on. She see all this and wanna stay the night. Ain't had nothing like this in so long.
She say she wanna ride with a G, so hop up in my passenger, girl, and we could be gone. Don't ask yourself, yeah, cause you're not. You know I got Taylor stripes like Adidas, so these girls go wild like Mardi Gras. On my pimp shit, so my pink show when I'm sipping slow. High chance that them people coming, so I'm getting low. They all talk they getting dough, who cooking the pie? Sweet potato on a tray, hey, you living to die. On some OG Bobby Johnson, South Central shit. Nigga, tell me who you really fucking with. It's the bread man, cash top dead man. From the city where you need a bulletproof headband. Go gadget, the money stretching long. Cash in plastic, cause I get it on. What you flip, that's diamond zigzag money. And what I get, can't fit it in the bag, dummy. Don't ask yourself, cause you're not.
I see them hating cause my paper right. I tell them hold on. She see all this and wanna stay the night. Ain't had nothing like this in so long.
She say she wanna ride with a G, so hop up in my passenger, girl, and we could be gone. Don't ask yourself, cause you're not.
Easy wider twisting, easy Prada slippins. Niggas telling me I look like Easy, probably cause it's easy for 'em. I'm bobbing, weaving on 'em, Ali informing. All of my niggas ballin', got TDOD across 'em. Money counting my dollars, got no creases on 'em. My weed is awesome, paid the cost, now they calling me the boss man. You should be more like Khalifa, that's what they boss saying. But they ain't out of style, these niggas off brand, off land. 30,000 feet up, rolling weed up. Try and kill a track, I told drums so we cut the beat up. These niggas ain't heard the best of me. Say she a fan, her nigga think she want me sexually. Ho, get your man, I'm out here getting it, spinning and spitting the illest shit you ever heard in your life. Thinking to yourself, Chevy been killing shit, nigga, I murder it twice. My money is right. And when my champagne come, they serving on ice. This the life.
I see them hating cause my paper right. I tell them hold on. She see all this and wanna stay the night. Ain't had nothing like this in so long.
She say she wanna ride with a G, so hop up in my passenger, girl, and we could be gone. Don't ask yourself, cause you're not.